Are you getting the error? This Google account is not yet associated with the device. Please access the Play Store on your device before installing apps. When trying to install apps from the Google Play Store on your Windows 11 PC or laptop, don't worry, it's quick and easy to fix. Let's get started. So this type of issue happens if you've logged into the Play Store on your computer using a different Google account, one that isn't connected to the Play Store on your Android phone. Let me show you how to fix this problem. First, open the Play Store on your device. Then click on Profile. Now just simply click Sign Out from the list. Once you have signed out, you just need to re-log in with the account that is already logged in on your Android phone. So just click on the profile. Now click Sign In with Google. Now provide your Gmail and password and click Next. So here you can see now I'm logged in with an account that is already logged in on my Android Play Store. Now if you want to download any apps from the Play Store, you can easily download them without any problems. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, then please drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.